Hi! Today, Chinese people celebrate Dragon Boat Festival. It is a holiday originated from China. So this holiday happens every year on the 5th day and the 5th month of the Chinese calendar. Normally, people celebrate this Dragon Boat Festival by eating rice dumpling. People call it zongci, but in Indonesia, we call it bacang. So what bacang looks like? It looks like this. So basically, this is rice dumplings with some meat filling, either pork or chicken, and wrapped with bamboo leaves. In Indonesia, we call this day as a Pacung Day, where people eat bacang. You can find bacang in Indonesia all year around, but it is more popular during the Pacung Day like now. So today, I also make bacang. Like I said, to make bacang, you need bamboo leaves. So I got these bamboo leaves from Asian Mart. These bamboo leaves are dry. So I had to boil these bamboo leaves for 10 to 20 minutes and then soak them in cold water and then wipe them clean. So that's the only thing that I don't really like. That's why I don't do it every year. I'm gonna show you how to prepare the rice, how to make the chicken filling. I'm using ground chicken, and also how to wrap the bacang. To make bacang, we have to cook the rice half done first. So I normally cook the rice on the rice cooker, but to make bacang, I need to cook it on the stove. If you just make a small amount, you can actually cook it on the saucepan like you normally cook your rice. I'm cooking 900 grams of rice here. So I'm using my wok. So you need to cook this rice half done. It means you just cook the rice until the water disappears, but the rice itself is not soft enough. Okay? It's not soft enough for you to eat. Okay? So I'm gonna add salt. So for this 900 grams of rice, I'm gonna just add one tablespoon of salt. So just like you cook your rice normally, but you just stop when the water disappeared, when you don't see water anymore. The amount of water, it depends on the type of the rice that you use. So just follow direction of the bag of the rice. Normally it says how much water you need for the amount of rice. Okay, so look at this rice. I don't see the water anymore. The rice is getting fluffy too, but it's not ready for you to eat. Okay, it's still hot. If you pinch or press the rice grain, it's still hard. At this point, you can turn off the stove and just cool down the rice. Okay, so look like this. All right, now I'm gonna cook the chicken filling for the bacang. So I have pounded 5 cloves of garlic and 3 cloves of shallots using my mortar and pestle, but you can definitely use your food processor to make the paste. And then I have turned on my stove, and then I'm gonna add like 3 tablespoons of oil. So I'm gonna use ground chicken here. I'm using 1.5 pounds of ground chicken. Now that my oil is hot already, I'm gonna saute my garlic and shallot paste here. Only saute until fragrant. This one is 1 pound. I'm gonna add the other half pound. Just break the ground chicken and mix it. Now I'm gonna add cooking wine, Chinese cooking wine. I normally use different kind, but this is, I got it from my son's apartment. He brought home this cooking wine. I've never used this kind of cooking wine. And then I'm gonna add white pepper. And light soy sauce. Now, sweet soy sauce. I want my chicken filling to have brown color. You want your chicken filling to be tasty, okay? Because you're gonna wrap it in the rice, okay? And then the green onion, sliced green onion. Just mix together. Alright, done. Alright, now I'm going to wrap the bacang. So I need at least 2 of the bamboo leaves here. There is 2 sides here. The one, the glossy one, and the one that less glossy. This one is for the back. Alright, you want to do it, you want to put the rice on the more glossy one. So fold it like this. And then grab this leaf with your hands like this. And then get like, put like 2 spoon of rice. And make a hole in the middle. You do not want to press the rice, okay? You want it kind of loose. And then get the filling, the chicken, the ground chicken filling. Also like 2 spoons. Okay, if you want, you can add Thai bird chili here. And then put 1 more spoon of rice too on top to cover. Okay, now fold this part like this. Okay, and then you fold the other 2 sides here. Okay, and then fold this part. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. You see 4 corners here. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you want to tie it with string. Just wrap it around the bacang or the dumpling, the rice dumpling. Double wrap, and then tie it. Double knot. Okay, like that. Okay, this is not easy, I know. You just need to practice. Alright, so make a hole in the middle and add the filling, the chicken. And then the chili, if you want to put chili. And then 1 more scoop of rice just to cover the filling. Like that. You do not want to press with the spoon right now. Just loose, okay? And then now you want to press it with the leaf like this. Fold it. And then with your finger here, you hold these sides, 2 sides, and then fold this. You see, these 2 sides here, fold it toward your fingers. And then fold it to the other way or towards you, whatever feel easier for you, okay? Okay, I'm gonna fold it toward me, and then I'm going to tie. Find the string. You wanna tie tightly, okay, double wrap, and then I'm gonna double knot, of course. like that. Okay, there you go. Okay, I'm gonna show you again. I'm gonna find the leaves. Okay, rice. And whole, and then the chicken. Then the chili. One more scoop. Okay, now we're gonna close. Okay, with your fingers here, hold it, and then fold it, and then fold it. And you get a nice string. Knot it again. That's it. Okay, look. You see, it has 4 corners. Bacang should have 4 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. And each corner has meaning. Alright? Okay. Alright, now I'm going to cook this 12 rice dumplings or bacang. You can just cook it normally in a saucepan or in the big pot and then cook it for 2.5 hours. But I want to save time, so I'm gonna just cook them in the using pressure cooker. So I have water here. I turn off my stove, and then I'm gonna add some salt, and then put the rice dumplings or bacang. Make sure all the bacang are submerged in the water. And then I'm gonna close it or put the cover. Alright, and then right now my stove, my heat is on the high heat. When it starts moving like this, it means the pressure goes up already. Then you want to turn down the heat to low, and then just start the timer for 30 minutes. And then that's it. And then your bacangs are cooked, are done. Look at this. These are done. So I'm gonna open one. So I'm gonna try my bacang. The rice is kind of sticky, not dry at all. I like it the way it is. This is good. So I'm happy that I actually able to eat bacang today on Pechun Day. It's kind of unusual for me. Normally I would wait for my friend to make one and order from her. So I didn't eat bacang exactly on Pechun Day except for today because I made it myself.